skin. Nickel for them clocks. Look at this ancient sand clock here. This nickel for them clock here is nice. You need to goddamn tell the time and everything. God, nickel for them. Damn! What happened to my skateboard crew? I'ma be broke. Why?
You failed!
This is a
rocket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
What it contains of is sponge, which are used as a coat to protect the egg during impact. Water will also be used to blast the rocket as high as possible. It will be pressured to make the rocket rise. This leads us to our sponsor of this video.
Raid Shadow Legends.
The three Newton's laws of motion are basically the laws of how you move. The first law states that no object will change its motion unless the forces acting upon it. This applies to the rocket by using the pressure of water and a force to move the rocket. The second law makes it so that the force of the object is equal to its mass times acceleration. In other words, that's also how the rocket is able to move around. And the last law says that when two objects collide, they will add forces to each other of equal magnitude and opposite direction. Which means that when the rocket hits the ground, it will bounce. If the rocket is covered by spikes.
Our rocket has subsystems, so we will explain what a subsystem is to you. A subsystem is a predefined operating environment. There can be multiple subsystems at a time. I will now explain the subsystems that are part of the rocket. The first subsystem.
The first subsystem I will be talking about is the propulsion system. This is what propels the rocket through the air. The propulsion subsystem consists of water which will be pressurized through a pump and be used to propel the rocket through the air. The next subsystem is the guidance subsystem, which will be useful to help the rocket navigate around. The rocket has extra pieces within to add extra weight to kind of help guide the rocket through the air. The last subsystem that will be mentioned is the structural subsystem, which is the mechanical integrity of the rocket. The rocket has been designed to at the very least withstand hitting the ground, as well as being able to protect the egg within. Those are the three subsystems that are included in the rocket.
This is not Joe Biden, and I